Welcome to Times of Avishkaar. I'm Nandini Bhalla, and today I'm here to bring some positive tech news from around the world. 13-year-old saves hundreds of liters of water with his washing machine design that recycles soap water. While Ayushman Nayak, a student of KIIT International Odisha, was only in class 3, he started working on a washing machine concept that could recycle water. For this design, he received the APJ Abdul Kalam Ignite Award in 2017 from the National Innovation Foundation. 4 years later, in class 7, he submitted this plan to the central government and received an intellectual property rights patent. His inspiration behind the innovation was the water shortage at his home. His family faced problems because of this, and thus he decided to do something about it. So next time you see a problem around you, put on your thinking caps. LinkedIn Ads Creator Mode to enable creators to expand their reach. Once the user selects the Creator Mode, they can upload hashtags of their interest to reach other users with similar interests to grow their community and connect with other creators. So the next time you're looking to share your innovation with the world, LinkedIn's tools will help you get 1,000 of eyes on your work instantly. Developing new technology to improve the way we learn maths. Maths is a subject that can easily scare a lot of people away because it looks so complex. But don't worry, a solution is being developed. The team at Carnegie Mellon University, Pennsylvania, created a tool called Penrose that automatically turns large numbers, math equations, and complex problems into pictures, allowing people to understand maths easily and not run away from it. It is named Penrose, which was after the noted mathematician and physicist Roger Penrose, who was famous for using diagrams and other drawings to communicate complicated mathematical and scientific ideas. Twitter adds COVID-19 fact box to users' timelines. The feature will prompt users to make sure they have the most up-to-date information on coronavirus or COVID-19 vaccines. It will appear at the top of the user's feed for both Android and iOS devices. We at Avishkar are always looking out for stories that are changing the world. So if you are looking for the same, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss out on the latest tech news. Click on the link in the caption to watch more such positive stories.